Hello everyone, Senior Product Specialist Dave Halleck here at Gerry Mazda with the 2025 CX-5 GT trim level. This one's in the beautiful machine gray metallic. I'm going to walk you through it and give you a quick overview of some of the features that are inside of it as you're working your way up the trim levels from the GX to the GS Comfort, GT, and then you have the Signature up above. So let's dig into it and see what you get. Alrighty, so quick things here. We've got power folding mirrors for the exterior mirrors, so when you lock the doors, they're automatically going to fold in. Unlock the doors, they're going to fold out. It is a feature that you can disable for the winter time. You've got 19-inch platinum finished alloy wheels with Toyo A36 all-season tires. You'll notice the cladding around the bottom and around the wheel arches is body colored to match. Signature LED lighting with the extra halos up around the sides. Zoom out here for a better look. Again, you're going to have the heated wiper stays down low here. Moonroof is standard, of course. We've got the gray cross stitch, and this is laser etched aluminum. You'll have the 9-speaker Bose audio system. The Mazda floor liners we include with the car. You're going to have a 6-way power passenger seat with height elevation, as well as tilt and move forward and back. The piping on the edges of the seats give it a nice contrast for a little bit more of a sporty look. Perforated leather. You'll have dual zone climate control, heated seats and heated steering wheel, but you also have the ventilated cooling seats, which actually suck the air into the chair through the seat bottom and the seat back to give you a lot more of an effervescent feel. You have the navigation as well. Auto dimming rear view mirror with HomeLink, which helps with big vehicles behind you, throwing a lot of light into your back windows. But because you sit higher up and you've got the privacy glass, you're not having to worry about as much of that trouble that you would in, say, maybe a lower vehicle. The rear area has vents to help with airflow. Back seats are heated, and they also have USB charging, so your guests in the back seat can stay well connected and not have to worry about running out of power. Again, power liftgate is standard. Blind spot monitoring, lane departure, radar, cruise, all those kind of things are all standardized. The driver's side seat is a 10-way power with 2-position memory. And then we've got our LED gauges, and the GT features the holographic heads-up driving display. Try to focus on that a little bit better, which hovers out in front of you rather than having a little pop-up lens. So that way your speed and your turn-by-turn for navigation will also be out in front. So when considering the CX-5, lots of great options for you. And this is the GT trim level. Come down and see us at Gerry Mazda in the Waverley Auto Mall, and we'll show you exactly which ones will meet your needs, and we'll get you in the driver's seat.